Hi guys, I'm Lisa Farrall, Global Ambassador for Schwarzkopf. What we're going to be doing today is we're going to be completely changing colour worlds. We're going for the underworld. We're making it dark, we're making it moody, we're making it fit for the nightclub. But we're also going to be adding some personality in there, some flashes of vibrance all the way through the hair. As you can see, we have white hair present. So we want to make sure that we cover that, but also even out the rest of this colour. We're also going to be adding contrasting panels throughout to really make these curls pop. So we're going to start with some foils just through the perimeter and also some contrasting slices through the sides. After I've applied my foils, I'm going to go in with my regrowth with my 0am and I'm going to freshen up the ends with some more 0am. The hair is naturally quite dry and it needs a little bit of hydration. So my go-to before every colour is I use my hair primer. As well as using the hair primer, I'm going to go in with my Skin Protect. For our customised curly colour, we are working with diagonal back sections. It's not regimented. The reason being, every single curl is different and we want this to be really customised. So what I'm working with here is at the front, I've created a diagonal back section. This is going to give me a little bit of a lived-in colour. I'm going to go in with my BLONDME in the foil and I'm going to paint it up to the root area. So when it comes to doing the roots, I'm going to go slightly into my foil. Then when we come to the sides, I want a contrasting streak of colour. So again, diagonal back section through here, and I'm going to paint the whole of this hair in a foil. I've got another diagonal back section, but it's higher because I don't want it to be the same on both sides. But the reason that I'm doing this diagonal back section is that when she wears it forward or when it goes fluid or when the curl decides to change pattern, we're still gonna have an intention there. And that's what's super important. When we come around to the front, I'm working with a triangle section through here. So this is going to give me a wisdom streak. It's a chunk of colour and it's going to be very, very intentional. So when I then go and colour this with my more vibrant colour afterwards, you're going to really be able to see that peekaboo of colour throughout. When I've painted the BLONDME on my foils, I've gone in this way, sideways, to get the colour right into the hair. But because I want to create a blend and I'm going to go in and do the regrowth, I turn the brush to the side so that I can just flick it towards the root, which is going to be easier for me to blend in the root colour later. So I've just completed my foils back to back. 2 each side at the back and 2 on this far left. Now I'm going to go through with my piece at the front. Now this is our chunk of hair. This is going to be the highlight of our entire colour. So I've started with my triangle section here and I'm going to do back-to-back foils. Now I've started with my point at the top because I want the smallest part to be which is most visible so that the hair can distribute evenly underneath and we get that chunkiness and we get that weight without taking up too much of the hair across the perimeter. So I'm now going to go back-to-back foils. With these, I've left a little bit of root drag because I want some root there. With this, I'm going straight in at the root. I have gone through, I have put colour on every single part in and I've started at the front. The reason that I've started at the front is because this is where the most white hair was present and it's most resistant. Now we're going to develop for 30 minutes and then back to the backwash for our Fibre Clinics post-colour treatment. as you can see, I've now finished the colour. It looks amazing and I can't wait to get onto the styling. But before I do, I'm going to be using my fibre sealer. Now this is amazing. I'll evenly distribute this over the entire hair. It has bonding technology in there, but it's also a heat protector and has anti-frizz. So there we have it, our colour is finished. We have got our chunk of colour through here, we have got our slice of colour through the side. This is vibrant and it's customised, this colour. The curls are shiny, they're intact, but we've got this nice movement going throughout. We've gone on the roots and the mid-lengths and ends with 0 am. If you want to know more about Agora 0 am or how to use your boosters in Vibrance, check out the E-Academy. If you like this video, like, subscribe and rate us. Thank you for watching. Now let's go to the DJ bar. Woo!